and welcome to our interview here at Support Driven Summit 2018. We're live from Cambridge, Massachusetts. My name is Olivia Clyde from YNAB, here with Ben Imker.
Hey, everybody.
Hey. The Senior Manager of Mobile Support at YNAB, based in Lehigh, Utah.
Yep.
But you're not.
No.
Where do you live,
from
Ben?
Minneapolis.
That's great. Okay. Midwest, the best people come from it.
Right.
So, Ben, if you don't mind, we have a couple questions about kind of your support experience.
Sure.
So, mobile support, how would you say that differs from desktop?
Yeah, that's great. So in our mobile support team, we find that we often interact with users who are relatively new to our app.
Mm-hmm.
They've downloaded, they may have questions on getting started. They're contacting us via live chat usually versus email. So we're able to resolve their issues a little bit more quickly, and we have higher volume as well. So
Makes sense.
Yep.
So what are you guys maybe doing to inform other support teams about that quick feedback process?
yeah, it's great. So we are able to share what we've learned doing live chat with our email support teams to give them the ability to sort of hone in on the customer's question a little bit quicker and give a direct answer to those questions. So.
Interesting. I bet that means that your team's especially skilled with detecting, diagnosing an issue, and asking the right questions to get to the root of a problem. Okay, that's great.
Yep.
So how big is YNAB?
Yeah, so we are about 70 total employees, and our support team takes up about half of that. So
Okay, wow.
we have a huge support team.
And do you foresee growth in the near future?
Yeah,
With
definitely.
that team. That's
Yep.
great. That's
Yep.
great. Maybe, Ben, you could tell us a little bit about your road to support in general.
Sure. So I think I have a kind of a different path to support. I started out doing support when I was in college, and then I actually majored in communication, and I went to grad school, and I wanted to teach. And then I realized, like, hey, to be an adjunct professor, there's not much stability or security there. So I got a job with an online university, Capella University, and I was there for 10 years before YNAB came into my life. I was a customer first, and then I got a part-time job just doing a side hustle at YNAB that turned into the great gig I have now.
Oh my gosh!
So
wow, good for you for sticking with that
Yeah.
path. It's interesting the winds and
Yeah,
curves
there's a
a
little bit of
road
wind.
to support can take.
Right.
So,
Definitely.
what are some of the bigger challenges that you've had to kind of surmount while
Yeah.
in this level of support?
Right. So we launched our mobile app about a year and a half ago,
Bravo.
and with that we launched chat support as well. And it was our first sort of foray into live chat support, which was pretty intense. And getting that set up and getting everyone prepared for that when we had no experience was a huge challenge.
I'm sure.
So
Introducing the chat into that is by far
Yeah.
a big thing to do.
definitely.
So good for you. Well, we wish you the best of luck in
Oh,
going
thank you.
forward, and we are grateful for your time here
You bet.
today. So thank you,
Thanks a
Ben, for
lot.
joining. Have
You're
a great
welcome.
day.
See you, Cloud App.
Thank you. Bravo. Great job.
Thank you.
Appreciate that time. We know it's not easy. Okay, we don't want to stand between you and the food.
I know, where's
you
the
are
food?
so good. Thank you. Nice to
Thanks.
meet you.
Yes,
Appreciate it.
So
Yeah.
I would be for Cloud App.
Yes, please. Let us know.
I